Good morning, guys. It's Chris from the Ultimate Recycler, and the unthinkable has happened. Yes, for those of you who follow my channel and know that I'm busy with a big farm cleanup and unboxings and repairs and everything else, we've gone and bought another house lot to clean out. Don't ask me why. Genetic flaw. We like a challenge. An uncle of mine once said the secret to success is to bite off more than you can chew and chew like crazy. I don't know, I think we just did it because we love the fossicking and the treasure hunting, and we like to put ourselves under pressure. So you won't recognise things here around me because I'm at a new place. It's in our local town, so we don't have to drive far. We have to clean out an old house. If I pan around, the property has been sold. The lady used it as a weekender, so there's a lot of older stuff here that wasn't used regularly, and it's not fully furnished. Well, I guess it is. There's a lot of stuff in there. We'll go for a walk around. We'll call this part one, and I'll show you what we've got to tackle. Time frame, we've got a few weeks, but we don't want to dilly-dally, so we're planning to get onto it straight away. We're going to load up some stuff today. Let's go for a walk around. There's a really cool old building or shed here. It's obviously a very old property. This has been here a long time. We did say we'd do a total clean-up. The lady was a little stressed and losing sleep at night about how she was going to clean it all up. She lives quite a distance from here, and she had ordered a skip. And after we had a chat to her, she actually has cancelled the skip, and she looked very much relieved that someone was going to handle it all for her. There is a lot of stuff that's of no value. It will cost us to get rid of. There's quite a lot of garden tools there. Bit of an old homemade ladder. Some garden equipment. The Massport chipper shredder will sell okay. There's a really cool old self-propelled lawnmower here. It would be 1960s. I think it's branded Snapper. Briggs & Stratton, probably a 5 horsepower on it. I don't think it goes, but we might do a little project on that one to see if we can get it running. There's a more modern Honda mower. It's got some damage to the front of it, but they were a pretty good engine on those Honda mowers. So again, we might do a video on that and see if we can get it going. Just assorted hand tools. I didn't see anything really in this shed of value at all, other than maybe the couple of mowers. Let's go and have a look in the house. Oh, there were some fuel cans here. Some of the fuel cans can sell quite well. That Mobil one's a 5 litre, so not that old, but I think the BP one in the back there might be, you know, $10 or $20 tin. So we will leave the property cleaned up. As we said to the lady, she doesn't have to worry about tidying up before settlement date. Little homemade timber bench there will sell okay. There's some nice pots here, and some of these we'll take back to our Airbnb in Boyd Street. Pots are very expensive to buy, so we're happy to get those. Old wheelbarrows always sell quite well. So lots of just bits and pieces around here. She's obviously taken the stuff that she wants. A cast iron outdoor setting there. It's in very rough condition. It looks quite okay there because we straightened it up, but all the timber's quite rotten. We'll probably just sell that as is as a project for, you know, $50 or something. A cute little blue bedside cabinet. It's like a pot cupboard. Well, it is a pot cupboard. That should sell okay. Interesting choice, painting it blue. But I think that's probably, if it's okay and there's no borer in it, we might get $30 or $40 for that. And that's where we do okay out of these house lots, just in volume. You know, if you have 20 items at $50, suddenly you've got 1,000. But obviously it's a bit of work in processing it all. Let's go into the house. I think Christine's in here somewhere. She's in the front room. Are you? Yes, here she is.
I am.
What have you? Oh, look out. It's got a blunt end.
Thankfully, because I would have cut myself by now.
It's just a decorative sword.
It's a Victorian Highland Regiment officer's broadsword.
Oh,
this is
just a replica.
yeah, I think so, because I can't get the sheath off. It wiggles. But
Oh, okay. Oh, right. So there's a blade in that sheath.
feels like
Ooh.
there is.
Maybe it's just a giant letter opener for big bills. So there's some quite old furniture in here. The mattresses are going to cost us to get rid of. There's another foam fold-out bed type thing there. So that does cost us. We've got to take them to the transfer station, and they charge per mattress. Little bit of a cupboard there we could probably sell, not worth a great deal. Fold-up camping table. So there's a lot of low-value stuff. The actual bed base, we might just use the timber on it.
Well, actually.
Oh, what have you found? Oh, that lamp's cute, isn't it? We looked at that the other day.
Chipped.
Yeah, probably 1950s pottery lamp. The Beatles, nice.
Pity it's not the White Album.
Yeah. Okay, well, there could be some hidden treasures there.
Yeah,
What's that one?
it's
flowers.
Oh, is it flowers?
Yeah. So that's really sort of 60s era, isn't it? Encyclopedia Britannica. This is the same set that we got from the farm that we gave away. Someone's covered them all in clear contact. So, yeah, lots of... Oh, there's some boxes here. They weren't ours. That'll be handy. We'll use them. We're short on boxes. These little stools will sell okay, probably $10 to $15 each. So a little picnic basket.
It's empty, yeah.
Empty basket.
This one's got picnic goods in it.
Okay.
It's a really nice record, vinyl record.
It is. Very good. A little mini grandfather clock here. It's a wind-up clock too. That's quite nice, being a wind-up. It's possibly German made. It just looks to have that sort of dial to it. 8-day.
That's cute.
Are we focusing on it? There we go, got to focus. That's a nice little clock. I can't read the brand there. Anyway, we'll check that one out, but it's got a pendulum, but that probably only swings... Oh, no, that actually could be a real pendulum. That's a nice clock. All right. Could be some good dollars there. Now, these wardrobes, 1940s or 50s plywood, that one actually looks pretty good. But some of them we have a lot of trouble moving. Not many people buy wardrobes. Usually the veneer's all flaking off them, but that one's not bad.
It's empty.
Empty. All right. We still may give it away because we don't have room in the shop for furniture. And if someone can come and pick it up and take it away, we're happy. All right, round into the kitchen. That's a nice retro table and chairs. The chairs, let's get a bit of a look. They're actually nicer than the table, aren't they? Mm. Yeah, they're great. Geez, they're in good condition too. Yeah. All right, so 4 chairs and a table. We're going to get some dollars for that. We haven't looked in the cupboards at all. There's obviously a bit of china and pottery, electrical goods. Old sifter, they sell well. That's a really nice jug. It's an Art Deco jug. Let me get that one down. Did you see this one, Christine? It's been there a while. It was stuck to the cupboard. That's really... Oh, it's got a big chunk broken off the bottom. It's been glued back on. It's cute though.
Oh, hello.
Hang on. Are you...
Hello. I'd say hello to the air.
Is that to let the cats come in? Yeah. So it's a shame that little jug's damaged. It's an English one. Let's just flick open some of these cupboard doors while we're filming. Nothing. She may have emptied them all, perhaps.
The ones over the other side are full.
Okay, we've got a jar of Vegemite.
We need some more of these jars.
Yes. Orange bread bin there. And just, it's the butter beans. It's the hamper for when the apocalypse hits.
There's lentils there. I love
lentils. Geez, it'd have to be an apocalypse for me to eat lentils. We've got sliding doors under here. Oh, there's nothing in there. Okay, the cupboards are mostly empty.
Yeah.
Now, these chairs are cute. Really nice. They could even be rockers.
Oh, nice. Bone-handled knives.
Whoop.
Oh, they're not the real ones.
No, they're... Oh, they're all right.
Nice.
Yeah, they're nice. Yeah. We often find some really good cutlery and things that can be worth a bit of money, sometimes even sterling silver. What do we got up here? Glasses.
The bread box.
I'm trying to pan around. Oh, it's opened again. So that's a built-in bread box. Yeah, tin-lined drawer. That cabinet's fixed though, isn't it? It's part of the house.
Yeah.
And so is the upstairs. Look at all these little spice drawers here.
Yeah, they're really cute.
But again, that stays with the house. Enamel colander, that'll sell okay. Mixing bowls. That's a nice older mixing bowl in the corner there. All right, so really lucky dip in some of those drawers. Let's continue looking at the furniture. A leopard print sofa. Probably not. Oh, it's a pull cord. Who remembers a pull cord light switch? Give the cord a pull.
I'll probably break it.
There we go. And let there be light. I don't think I've ever seen a leopard print sofa. There's some better stuff on it. There's some 50s Australian pottery. Some old tins. Nothing outstanding. Oh, look at this is nice.
Yeah.
The fire set with the lady holding the tools. That's very good. That's got to be a $75 set at least.
There's a
60s coffee table. What's in?
trolley, but it's a bit
Drinks trolley, yeah, looks like a homemade drinks trolley. Books. So these chairs are probably going to cost us, we'll try and give them away on Facebook, but if we've got to take them to the transfer station, it's going to cost us, which is a shame, although that one's saleable. That's a nice 60s era. We have a little deco cupboard in the corner, some old speakers. Oh, she was keeping some of the stuff in the middle, wasn't she?
Was she?
Yeah.
No, I think she's taken it.
What about this? I think she wanted this table,
Yeah.
little wine table. That's quite nice. We have a 60s buffet, a bit similar to the one we had at the farm, which we just sold for $50, but this one we might do better. And there's some really nice china in there. Nothing in the drawers.
Those are nice over there.
Multicoloured ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they're probably the nicest ones.
They could even be Shelley or something. They'll be English for sure.
Lady.
Let's zoom in on the name. Royal Albert, very nice. Yeah, that will get some dollars, that set. So there's a mantle clock there as well. It's lost some veneer off one of the feet, and it's only a striker, it's not a chiming clock. None of the artwork's any good, they're just prints. A little air conditioner. Hey, Mum might like this for her new shed. Sun air conditioner.
That's different.
A vintage, hang on, what have you found? A little face mug, character mug. Has it got any marks underneath?
I haven't got my glasses. No, it doesn't.
No.
But it's kind of a stone
Okay.
type of feel.
And back to this, we have this would be a 1980s TV. Getting quite collectible, and then a monitor underneath. A nice Art Deco drinks cabinet in the back there. And as I said, I think with these chairs, they may well be rockers, so they'll sell very well, those chairs. So we're going to get a bit of value out of stuff. We'll quickly cruise into one other room, and we might just finish this video up as a walk around, and then we'll start packing stuff in the next part. That wardrobe will be a freebie. This dressing table, probably a freebie as well. As nice as they look, they're just very hard to sell. Sometimes you can take the mirror off and actually sell the mirror. And there's not much in. Oh, was that chest going too? Or was she keeping that?
No, I think that was going.
All right, well, that's a nice chest. Probably not super old, but very good. Nice little rocking chair there as well. The light's not so good in this room. The bed is probably saleable, but probably the mattress will have to go to the transfer station. It's going to be a pretty old mattress. But the bed looks like blackwood. Nice floral decoration in the end. That's quite a nice bed. And that little gentleman's wardrobe will probably be a giveaway as well. Okay, the loading's beginning, and this might be a good one for our Airbnb.
Yep.
In with the pot plants. Put it up here, should slide in.
Do you want to put those tall ones over there?
Yeah, we'll put them in next.
Yep.
So we'll finish this video up now. I spoke to the lady just then, and it was a little confusing about what she still wanted in the house. All the furniture's to go, but she wanted a few things just out of cupboards. And one thing I've learned in this business, when you think it's all right to go, double check, because you don't want to sell something that they wanted. It just leaves a bad taste in everyone's mouth, and we want the deal to be a successful and happy one. So we'll wait for the house. She's going to be here later this week. When she's finished, we'll get the key. We'll clean it out totally. In the meantime, we're going to load the van with the outdoor stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.